She deleted every single female on my phone. She freaked out saying, "Who the is Jay? This is Jasmine." And I'm like, I don't know, you deleted her off my phone. I do have a buddy named Jay.
Stop grabbing me!
She went through his phone while he was asleep, deleted every female contact she could find. Then she called one of the numbers herself, and a woman picked up. That is when she grabbed the knife. By the time officers arrived, the worst part may have already happened, and what the boyfriend told them next turned a routine call into something much heavier.
Right here, please.
Where's she at?
In her room, still with that
Step out
knife.
here, okay? Step out here, man. You got any dogs or anything?
Taylor, she's nice.
What you
Do you want me to take him into the
got any
car?
weapons or anything on you?
Hi, pup.
Here, sweetie.
Just step out there
No.
for a second. Okay, what's going on?
You all right?
I got you. Anything else? Anybody else in the house, man?
He's a crybaby ass that likes to cheat on me!
Stop. Oh my God. What's going on? Push your dog up so I don't get bit. Hey, nothing. Listen, stop. What's going on today?
I know, sorry about that.
You can step in there and talk to him. Hey, what's going on? Hey, I'm not going to ask you again. Chill out. What's going on?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm standing in my front door.
Officers are still working to get the girlfriend back from the doorway when one of them pulls the boyfriend to the side.
Hey, stop.
Stop grabbing me!
Right in the face? I don't think so. Absolutely not. Got hurt. Yep.
He is calm, and what he says next changes what kind of call this actually is.
What up?
Do you want EMS?
No,
Or
it's
anything
just a
for
little
medical?
nick. She was just
Okay.
swinging and it barely nicked me.
You kind of.
Yeah,
So,
I was trying to go for the arm. I'd rather charge a gun than a knife.
yeah.
And yeah, she just got me a little bit.
Okay.
He's calling it a nick. He's almost apologizing for bringing it up. Officers are not treating it like a nick.
You care? Turn around. I'm gonna just double check, make sure. Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna take a picture of that real quick.
Sorry, I'm shaking.
You're fine, man.
They photograph the injury and check him for anything else he might be downplaying. And then they ask him to start from the very beginning.
Woke up,
Whenever.
took
Okay.
a piss.
Okay.
Apparently she went through my phone. I have a contact, Jay. I have a friend named Jay. She deleted every single female on my phone.
Okay.
Because, I mean, I had to do the same thing just because giving the same treatment she was giving me.
Yeah.
Woke up, went to go piss. She freaked out saying, "Who the is Jay? This is Jasmine. This is Jasmine." I'm like, I don't know. You deleted her off my phone. I do have a buddy named Jay.
Okay.
She called.
Yeah.
My buddy didn't answer. His girl answered. And so she freaked out. And she said, I told you. Grab the knife from in there. And then I tried calling you guys once. And it's like, no, I'm just going to call her mom. Her mom was like, can you text me? I'm like,
Yeah.
She's got a knife. I'm just going to call the cops.
Yeah. Yeah.
Her mom usually can calm her down. But she was a knife and
Yeah. Yeah. No, you did the right thing. 100%. You did the right thing.
He tried to handle it without police. He called her mom first. He was standing there with a woman holding a knife and a mom asking him to type a message. That is when he called 911.
You want to pursue charges on her for this?
No, she just needs to get back on meds.
You don't want to pursue charges for her stabbing you.
She stabbed him. He does not want to pursue charges.
It's up to you, man. Hey, it's anyone wants to contact. It does not matter.
Yeah.
I mean, she's going to jail regardless. She fought one of our officers. She's going to jail.
Jesus.
Yeah. So it's if you want to pursue charges against her. Really up to you.
No, let her deal with that. I just need as a witness. I mean, I can't. I'm not gonna hit her. I'm
No.
sorry, I'm not gonna hit a girl.
Well, that's what I know.
Crazy. I mean,
I'll be honest, I haven't been on too long, but I do know that that's it for now.
yeah. No,
Is this the first time she's ever done anything like this?
I have pictures on my phone of her on my face. That was the first time I should have called you guys.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm just gonna call her mom.
So there's,
It was a bigger one than that, but yeah, I didn't know that one was in there too. I bet it's between the bed and the wall.
so there's a history of this,
Yeah,
I've heard-
she is
doing this.
not with just me, but with the other dudes, and yeah, I guess I just got tired of it.
And then are you guys dating or?
Dating.
Okay. How long have you guys been dating?
Since like Super Bowl of last year. So
Okay.
Of this year actually.
Okay.
So not that long, and it's been literally it's been on and off because of her wanting to fight and just cause off.
It was not the first time. He already has pictures on his phone from before. Officers are no longer looking at one incident. They are looking at a pattern.
She has a roommate, Jared, who also helps pay out the rent.
Yeah.
He's in St. Louis. He's like an electrician right now. He
Okay.
come here.
I get that.
Few days.
Did dispatch get your information and everything?
I don't think so. I was just too busy on the phone with you guys.
No, I get it. 100%, man.
Caitlin Hopper, right?
Yeah, it's been on.
How long have you been dating?
Hi, Pop.
Since like it's been literally on and off. This is probably the 8th
Since Super Bowl.
of like February,
Gotcha.
whenever the Super Bowl was.
All right. What's your name and date of birth?
It's just a little neck.
Oh. Wow.
It's
Marion 18, I got
sharp
one by
knife,
name and date of birth.
but, I mean, she just. I don't know if you can grab it.
You want to go to the hospital?
No, I'm fine.
So like an actual chef's knife is what it looks like?
Yeah, it's like a miniature
Thick
chef knife.
Miniature.
Thick, yeah, it's
What colors, you remember?
black and silver, just like that one, but it's the blade is a little bit thicker.
10-9.
Your tetanus up to date?
I wasn't too sure. Last time I got my tetanus shot was in the Army, and that was in 2019, I think.
They have the injury, they have the history, they have the weapon description. Now they need to know exactly where everyone was standing when she swung.
Okay, kind of in the hallway.
Yeah, right here is whenever she actually started swinging, and then
Okay.
you're right there, and that's whenever I tried to grab her hand and she got my pinky.
So she was back where you are, and you were
She was
where
right
I am.
here. She was right where you're
Okay.
at, and I was trying to walk out, calling the phone. Well, she had my phone, was threw it at the wall, and I
Okay.
grabbed it, and then she grabbed the knife, and yeah.
Okay, so you were
Walking
back there
out, yeah.
walking out,
Yeah.
and she was
Right
right
there.
here next to the couch,
Yeah.
and was
She swung about 4 times right there.
Okay.
And the one time got me on the pinky, and
Yeah.
the other times I just called you guys.
Yeah. That's a good thing to do. Rough time frame. You know when the yelling started. When
Literally within 5 minutes of me calling you guys. I called you guys the first time. That was immediately when it started happening because I'm not
Yeah.
dealing with the knife.
Uh-huh.
Then I called her mom. Her mom didn't answer twice. Then I called
Okay.
you guys again.
all right.
Yeah, that
I
time
think we
frame
got
was
all we need.
literally-
What kind of car does your mom drive?
A Lexus.
Lexus. Okay.
Black
There's
Lexus.
a white Chrysler around here. What's that?
And then what does I'm sorry. Do you want to press charges on that?
Yeah, she can do it with a song with cop. I'll be fine with a little pinky.
All right.
All right, man.
That works.
Thank you guys. I really appreciate it.
Take care.
The suspect was charged with battery. No confirmed court outcome was found after that. Subscribe to the Bodycam archive so you do not miss the next one.